Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Bear Player app on your Android TV box or Google TV using the Unlinked method. So we use Unlinked for this tutorial. If you find value in it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you do not have this Unlinked app already installed, I would like you to drop down to the description. You'll find a video in the description below that will show you exactly how to download this app to your Android TV box or Google TV. Now that's out of the way, click on the Unlinked app to get in and you'll find this Add New Library button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to put in the library of choice. For this tutorial and the apps we'll be downloading, you are going to use everything. So type in EVERYTHING, no space, so everything, and hit OK. Now you enter on this next page as well and you'll find these apps right here. You're going to scroll down and locate the app you wish to download. Check under media players and you find the Bear Player app. Click on it and you find this download button. Click on the download button and your download will begin in a few seconds. Just be patient and wait for the download to commence. Depending on internet speed, this will take you from a couple of seconds to just a few minutes. And when it is downloaded, you are going to be able to install it. So you see an automatic prompt to install this app. Click on the install button and you have it straightly available in your app library. If you found value in this one, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.